This is gonna be cool.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause.
Sailor Venus, Sailor Mercury, Sailor Mars, Sailor Jupiter. Secret powers are so new to her. She's the one named Sailor Moon.
I just hear that name and I shut up. Mufasa. Ooh. Do it again. Mufasa. 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 Mufasa.
What's a bad idea?
What was that?
Why make trillions when we could make billions?
But it's a rock.
I know it's a rock!
Man, I'm pretty.
Your Honor, I'm from West Philadelphia, born and raised. On the playground is where I spend most of my days.
You can't even use back Look, I'm Zippy Longstockings. I can't. When a problem comes along, you must zip it. Zip it good. I been the one. Mita Hioto. Subtitle, zip it.
I'm just trying to...
Zip. Would you like to have a suckle of my zipper?
I'll be back.
It's time to
You saved the day again, Woody.
You're my favorite deputy.
You got a friend in me.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad.